Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So for a couple of times now, we have heard several iPhone 13 rumors and leaks. So Apple's expected to announce their next generation iPhone 13 in just a few months, and we expected to see some new features and upgrade in the upcoming flagship. So in this video, I'll explain all the rumored updates you can expect from the new models. First will be a smaller notch. Thanks to the iPhone receiver being repositioned at the top edge of the chassis along with integrating 3 camera modules into one. So Apple is able to reduce the size of their true depth camera system, allowing for a narrower notch with more screen real estate on either side. Next is a new signature color matte black, which will likely replace the great color used on iPhone models for years. MagSafe will also be updated to include stronger magnets than on the iPhone 12, which has been a recurring complaint among users, especially when using the MagSafe wallet, since it tends to slip out of place, even when simply gripping the device. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. So all 4 iPhone 13 models are also expected to feature larger batteries, which should result in a 7 to 15% increase in battery life across the board. But when the iPhone 13's biggest updates will be its camera system, the lower-end 13 mini and 13 models are expected to feature a new diagonal lens layout, likely to accommodate sensor shift stabilization. Expected to be included on all iPhone 13 models, allowing for better low-light performance in stabilization by reducing camera shake. The ultra-wide camera lens will feature autofocus to capture sharper photos at any distance in portrait mode video. It could also be included. The Telephoto lens will continue to be exclusively available on the 13 Pro and Pro Max models, with the 13 Pro receiving the same updates to the lens as the 12 Pro Max, including 2.5 times optical zoom, 12 times digital zoom, and a larger sensor. Finally, the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max are expected to receive a promotion display. That means the screen's refresh rate will double, 60 to 120 Hz, resulting in much smoother animations and scrolling, something many users have already enjoyed on the iPad Pro. Pricing on all 4 models is expected to be the same as the iPhone 12, with the iPhone 13 mini starting at $700, iPhone 13 at $800, iPhone 13 Pro at $1,000, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max coming in at $1,100. These are just a few changes we expected to see in the next generation iPhone 13 model. So far the features are superb, and we are looking forward to the launching date in the fall. Well, that is all for now guys. Let me know the current iPhone you are using in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.